guys, today I'm going to make handmade bracelets. This is the first handmade bracelet that I made by myself. I used instructions. So now I'm going to tell you all how to make your own handmade bracelet. It's very simple. You can buy this set. Actually, my Mossy had gifted me this. It's very good. I had chosen this. I love these type of presents. They're very beautiful and I love crafting too. So yeah. So as I have done this much, first we have to get this thing. We have to unwind it 2 times and cut off the string. And then when we get the string, we get these type of cords, as you can see. We have to get these cords and break, like I have pressed them, I have joined them. So this is the bigger cord and this is the smaller cord. We have to use the bigger cord. So as you can see, the bigger cord is already done. We have to get both of them joined through here. And then I have used a bobby pin as there was no needle. So you can also use a bobby pin if you don't have any needle in this set. It's okay. And then we have to take out the string through the bobby pin from the bottom. As you can see from here, it's simple. Then I added these beads. These beads come from this big pack. There are lots of colors. You can choose whatever type of colors you want. Put them in a colorful order. And you can add only 10 or 11, not that much, in each of them. You all have to put it badge-wise in order. And each time 10 or 11. 10, 11. As I have done 10, this is the max. Now I'm going to take it out, and as you can see from here where the bigger cord is, just gently push it down, and it's like this. And then when you're done with this, go to the second part and press it gently. And do this again and again until you reach at least the 6th part or the 5th. So let's do it. Done. Now I pulled it out again and pushed it down. See? It already starts to look so beautiful because we used the pattern. It's not a type of pattern, but it looks colorful. If we had put it like the same color, it would not look special somehow. It's like this. So let's go to the third one. Repeating with all of these colorful beads. Okay guys, now it's time for the theme. Which one do you think I should pick? Tell me in the comments. But I think I choose this beautiful butterfly. It looks very pretty. And you have to use the markers which are coming with this set. Like these type. You have to color the charm, whatever color you like, and then you can put. Let's pull it down. Yay! So pretty and beautiful. First, we should take out the bobby pin as we don't have a needle. If we had a needle, it would go smoothly. So we should use this hack if we have a bobby pin. put the butterfly, I have to taken out the bobby pin and it will go smoothly. First, both of the strings from the first hole and then curve it and next hole. And then pull it out like this. Now, we can put the bobby pin back. We'll put it back to the fourth section. You might be wondering, why do I have a white dot over here? I got a very small pimple. My mother applied cream, so it can get healed. Anyways, let's get to the fourth one and put all the beads again. I ran out of beads. I'm going to take out more. This is the fun part that I love so much. I'm not using this type of bead. So, why don't I use this one? I think this is enough. Like and subscribe. Ah! My doggy came here! So creepy! It's so funny. I think she wants a bracelet. Why don't we make a bracelet for her? I think we can give this to her. So, okay, now I'm going to take it out. Oh, it's very confusing. Yes. I don't know. I didn't get a needle, but I got saved. Looks like my dog is a little angry. She wants to come in. Oh, there she comes. So cool. I love doing fun activities like this, especially playing with my dog. That's the most fun. Okay, I have put all the beads. Now I'm going to take it out. Wow, this is so satisfying. I just love to do this. It's so relaxing. Do you think this looks good? Because I think it should get a little bit more effort done. Okay, so we are almost done. Look how beautiful it looks. It's so colorful, even better than the one I have just made. Wow, it's so good looking. Now we will take off the bobby pin and put in the small coat. It was the long bigger coat, and then this is the small coat from which it can snip and snip off. Okay, now we will use a small coat and put in through these two small holes. Taken out. See, this is how it looks. The two holes which were given, we put both of the strings through them and then they come out like this. It looks like a wiggly worm. We will put it back and lock it. We have to twist it and then lock it. It's very simple. Guys, we will cut off the extras with scissors. Yes, perfect. Done. Okay, so should we try it on? Snip. Okay, this is how it looks. It just looks similar, right? Wow, so pretty. Now you understood how to do this trick. Please subscribe to our channel, Trish Fun Show.